In this help desk video, I'm going to walk you through how the Trade Ideas algos work for credit spread trading. So let's walk through it. You go to the dashboard, and the Trade Ideas algo is on the dashboard page, which is your main page. You simply scroll down here, and it shows you the alerts for today or for this week of what you should be entering in, what ETFs, as well as all the details about the trade, your win rate to help you pick which alert you want to follow, as well as the annualized return, and it also helps you place the trade by showing you how to place it for your specific broker. Now again, this is the Trade Ideas algo, and it walks you through everything you need to know based on strategies that have consistently proven to work. These strategies I have built over 5+ years of trading now. If you want to watch them for yourself, you can check out the trading guide and handbook that walks through all the strategy rules, the trade sizing and exit rules, and everything you need to know about trading credit spreads. That is for free, linked down below in this video, but also linked in your success path, which is the steps you need to take to be a successful credit spreads trader. Right here, step 1 is read the handbook. If you want to, watch the masterclass and all these steps until you can graduate. Anyways, but the purpose of this video is to walk you through the algo. So first off, the algo shows you what you're trading. It shows you the strategy you're trading. It shows you the date that this trade was alerted. It shows you the expiration date to place for your trade, the details. They put credit spread trade. You're going to sell the 344 and you're going to buy the 343. You want to collect at least a 15 cents in credit, and the status is open, which means you should be able to collect that credit or close to it. Anyways, it also shows you the historical win rate, so what the win rate for this specific criteria and setup has been since 2005. It also gives you the annualized return from that date, trading one spread for every single size account. Anyways, now we move into two important topics here. You should also see on your account the need help placing this trade, which I just went over. It walks you through how to place this trade in your broker. Next is track this trade, which will add this trade if you followed it to your trades tracker. But what I want to showcase here is that the algo does a wonderful job at predicting trades, and it makes it so simple for people who are worrying about reading charts, worrying about markets, worrying about direction, trying to predict things. No longer need to worry about that. They just need to come here maybe once or twice a week, find a trade that fits the criteria, enter it, place the trade, and move on. That's how simple this is. Now again, if you want to see a historical backtest, you can see all that here for all the main ETFs that we trade. You can see here, for instance, right here, DIA, True Total Strategy. Again, we can go to DIA. We can go to $1 with, and we can change it to the True Total Strategy. And you can see here a 90% win rate, a 23% annualized return, and you can look at the historical backtest. When did it fail? When did it? So you have confidence in this system. It also highlights like this when you have tracked one of your trades. For instance, this alert is a trade that I am trading, and I can track it and follow it here. For instance, the status goes to close and tells me to exit this trade early. Alright, not only that, you can also sort the algo alerts by clicking here. If you want to sort by ticker, expiration date, date alerted, trade status, or strategy, you can just click on that and it will immediately filter or sort the results in order by that. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. If you have any more questions, please open up the chat box or message me in the Discord. If not, I hope to see you inside the group and on the next office hours calls.